Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you an interesting issue regarding this garage door in hopes that someone on YouTube may know what's wrong with it. Let me get you a quick look at the model here. I am no expert on garage doors whatsoever. It's obviously rebranded by a company called Dulé. Now, there's the actual door. Now anyway, let's start by closing it, because that is where the problem lies. Hit the button. Now let's watch it. And there it sits, just like it's been doing all week. It seems to get a little bit worse, maybe by about a ½ inch a day each time. Just does not want to finish closed. You know, obviously, pulling a door does nothing, but if I detach it, slides closed, no problem. Now let's reattach it. Come on. There we go. Now let's try reopening it. Close it again. No luck. As I said, I'm no expert on garage doors. If any of you know what could possibly be wrong with this door, please tell me, because I'd love to know. Otherwise, we're just going to schedule some maintenance on this thing and see if someone that actually knows what they're doing can fix it. Thank you. That's all.